Good morning friends. Today we want to start one new topic for standard 10th maths subject, chapter number 5. Already we have started, and AP arithmetic progression I want to start, and already we have started. Now today topic is sum of nth term. We have completed exercise 5.1, 5.2. In 5.1 and 5.2 we have discussed about the an term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we want to find out the sum of first n term. So sum of first n term means s is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sum of first n term of AP is s is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. And another formula is s is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now, so before we start we have to understand what is the meaning of it. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 50th term. I want to find 50th term. So what is a? Already we know that a is equal to, that is 2, d is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So d is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, now n is equal to 50. So up to 50 if I want to add it, then I have a formula, that is Sn is equal to n, that is 50 by 2, 2 into a 2 plus n minus 1, that is 49 into 2. So here 25, here 4 into 98, that is 25 into 102. So 25 into 102 if we will do, we can get value of 50th term. So in exercise 5.3 the topic is sum of n terms. Topic is sum of n term. So now if I want to do for exercise 5.3 question number 1, but there is a two formula. One another formula is s is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus n. Here it is, here I think if you will see the text in textbook, it is given as a s. Already we are using as a Sn formula, but in your text there may be some formula related with s. So we can write Sn also, and we can write n, here we can write n also, or we can write only s. First term and last term is given. When first term and last term is given, we can also do this sum. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus 1. So exercise 5.3 we are discussing question number 1. Find the sum of first 10 term. Find the sum of first 10 term. First 10 term means here 2, 7, 12 up to 10 is there. So if I want to find out the first 10 sum of first 10 sum, that, so first of all I find out a, what is a, that is 2, what is d, that is 7 minus 2, that is d is equal to 5, and n is equal to 10. So a is equal to 2, d is equal to 5, and n is equal to 10. By applying formula of Sn, Sn is equal to, so I have to put 10 at here. Now n by 2, so 10 by 2, 2 into a into n minus 1, so 10 minus 1, that is 9, into d means 5. So 5, 4 plus 45, so 5 into 49. So 49 into 5, we can get answer 245. So S10 is equal to 245. So, that is a formula. Exercise 5.3 question number 1. Now, first there are 4 sums. Out of 4 sums I have explained first. Others 3 sums you can do by same method. You can do by same method. What is the method again? How to find Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now, a is equal to 2, d is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10. So, S10 if I want to find out, then 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 9 into 5. So, if you simplify we can get 245. Now, one more sums we can do, or now question number 2. First sum, there are 4 sums, out of it first I have completed. Now, we go for next. So, in next question again find question number 2, find sum, again find sum, but here 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to 10. So, here n is not given, here n is not given. Now, when n is not given, we have to find out first n by which formula, that is 5.2, that is n is equal to a n minus a, here it is a n minus a divided by a n minus a divided by d plus 1. Now, if you will see a n, so here a n means what? Last term. So, n is equal to last term, that is 10, minus first term, that is 34, d, that is minus 2 plus 1. So, minus 24 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So, n is equal to 30. So, when sum or questions are find the sum of, but here n is not given. So, again we have to first find out n by using which formula, that is n is equal to a n minus a by d plus 1. Now, if I will put this again last term, that is n already we have, a that is already we have 34, n, or we can say last term a n is also called L, that is 10. Now, if I want to find out S13, then second formula we can also use 13 by 2, a plus L, a that is 34, L that is 10. So, 13 by 2, 34 plus 10, that is 44. If I will divide it by 22, so 13 multiplied by 22. So, 13 10 22 tens 22 tens are 220 and 22 6 3s are 66. So, 266 is my answer. But what I want to explain you, how we can find out a sum by using formula, that is 2, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L, and n is equal to a n minus a by d plus 1. So, that is exercise 5.2 question number 1 I am explained, question number 2 I am explained. Now, question number 7 more sums we can do by using formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So, in question number 3 there are 10 sums. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give sum of 633? Again Sn is now given. So, let me do the type of sum. Question number 4, that is 9, 17, 25 and Sn is given 636. So, such type of sums are there. Always remember, we have to do the factorization of it. Always remember, because when n is here in this question, we have to find out by different way. So, you have to make a factor of it and you will get answer. That is 636, n that I want to find out 2, a that is 2. So, 2a into a that is 9, and I don't know, I have to find out d. So, d is equal to 17 minus 9 that is 8. Now, 636 is equal to n by 2, 18, 8n minus 8. So, n by 2, 8n, 18 minus 8 that is plus 10. So, if I will remove, so 636 is equal to 2 is taking outside, then 4n plus 5 divided by 2. So, 636 is equal to 4n square plus 5n. So, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Now, you have to make a factor of it. That is why factor is important. We can see now we are doing the sum of Sn. We are doing the sum of Sn, and there is a one question in which we have to make a factor. Again I explain, that is given Sn is given 636 is given n by 2 in bracket 2 9 plus n minus 1 bracket over 8. Why I am writing 8? 17 minus 9 that is 8. Now what is 636? We can multiply here, but if you will see that 8n is as it is, 18 minus 8 that is 10. So, if I will make outside 2, why I have to make outside 2? Because in denominator 2 is there. So, 2 and 4n plus 5, 2 cut and 4n plus 5. So, 636 equal to 4n square plus 5n. Again 4n square plus 5n minus 636. So, now I want to make a factor of 636. If you will make a factor of 636 and then or you can multiply by 4, there is a one addition subtraction is there, you will get some value, but negative value is not possible here, negative value is not possible. So, if we try for it, 636 factor of 636 I have to do by 2, 3, 1, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 8 ja, 2 8 ja 16, again 2, 1, 5, 9, 2 1 ja 2, 11, 2 5 ja 10, 1 2 9 ja, again now 5 3, 5 3 ja 15, 3. Now 53 we have to put as it is. Here it is 4. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48, 48 minus 53. So 4n square plus 53 n minus 48 minus 636. So, now if I will make common, that is n. So, in bracket 4n plus 53. Now, if I will make common 12, then in bracket 4n plus 53. So, n minus 12 and 4n plus 53. So, n is equal to 12. So, we can find out n again here by when Sn is given to you. We can find out by n is equal to 12 that is given to you. So, 4 sums there are 18 or 20 sums are there. Out of 20 already I have completed question 1 to 4th. Now, one more sum, question number 5. So, if you will see properly, all sums are required time or you have to concentrate it. Now, question number 5. In question number 5, last term, that is L, is given. The last term is 45 and Sn is given 400. Find the number of term n we have to find out and d we have to find out. What is given? That is Sn is given and we have to go through formula, that is here. Last term, that is 45. Last term is 45, means here it is 45. And we have to find out to A. Here it is given Sn is equal to 400. So, 400 is equal to n, that we have to find out, to first term plus last term, that is 45. Again I dictate the whole sum. Read question number is, the first term of AP is 5. So, again first term of AP is 5. L, last term, that is given, or we can say An. So, if I will put 5 at here, so n by 2, 50 and 400. So, here if we cancel it 25. So, 400 divided by 25, we can get value of n. Again the first term of AP is 5, last term is 45, Sn, that is 400, d we have to find out, and n. So, if I will cut with it, 25 ones are 25, 40 minus 25, that is 15. So, 150, 25 6 are 150. So, n is equal to 16. Now, what I have to find out? D. I have to find out the d. How we can find out d? I have to put this formula at here, or first already you have an Sn. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 d. Now, here it is given 400 and already we have get 16 by 2. First term we have n 15d. So, here we can cut, that is 8, 10 plus 15d, and here I have to put, either we can open the bracket or we can divide it. Two ways we can do. So, 400 divided by 8 we can do it, 10 plus 15d. So, 8 5 are 40. So, 50 minus 10, that is 40. So, 40 is equal to 15 by d. D is equal to 40 by 15, that is 8 5 are and 5 3 are. So, 5 5 cut. So, d is equal to 8 by 3. So, two values we can get by using this. Important thing is that we are use the formula Sn and n. So, 5 sum already I am completed. Try to solve now more sums, and already we have discussed when you come in a class. Again I request to, for avoid COVID-19, just concentrate on, to avoid COVID-19, third way, concentrate or follow the rule SMS, that is sanitize, mask and social distance. Thank you.